How to change Binance account name. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change your name on Binance. After you open the Binance app, now go to menu at the top left side. After you come to this menu, scroll to down and go to more services. So from this more services, now scroll to down. If you scroll to down under help and support, go to this chat. So from this option, now scroll to down, go to this get support, this one. So after you come to this option, all you have to do now, tap on this search. So from this chat section, go ahead and type in P2P like this. So now it will give you some suggestion. So select this one, P2P appeal status, this one. So after it gives you this information, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this option now and type in P2P again, P2P. So after you type in P2P again like this, now tap on this send button. Tap on the send button. So after you tap on the P2P like this now, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this one, customer service, this one. Customer service. So if you tap on the customer service, as you can see now they will transfer you to chat with human. As you can see now I'm chatting with real person in the Binance. So all you have to do now, just go ahead and type in on this section now and ask them that I want to change my name. Just type in like this now, change name, name changing, or just type in I want to change my name. I want to change my name. So after you type in I want to change my name like this now, if you tap on the send button, from there they will ask you some question. After you answer the question, from there they will change your name on your Binance account. That's it guys on how to change name on Binance account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.